welcome to all of you at DTC Downtown Rajarhat. How excited are you about this?
This is a much awaited project.
DTC being a project is our next level working there.
In terms of value for money, DTC definitely competes the top amongst all.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about none other than ekta jore hattali hobe for our director, Mr. Pratyush Jalan. Ekta jore hattali hobe sir er jonno shobai mile, everybody.
Here again as well, and उसी समय हम लोग ये DTC Capital City launch किए थे, and exactly 3 years back we are coming back again, much bigger, much larger, in a much better way as well.
3, 2, 1.
One step is to show somebody a dream, but to make sure that dream is fulfilled.
May I please have the champagne?